Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two all-terrain titans, the Continental TerrainContact A and the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA. Both tires promise top-notch performance, but which one truly reigns supreme? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental TerrainContact A set as the reference point at 100%. Let's dive into their off-road performance. On gravel, the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA edges out the Continental with a faster lap time of 61.6 seconds compared to the Continental's 62.73 seconds. In subjective gravel handling, the BFGoodrich scores a perfect 10, while the Continental earns 8.5 points. On dirt, the BFGoodrich completes the course in 56.86 seconds, while the Continental takes 58 seconds. Subjectively, the BFGoodrich scores 10 points, compared to the Continental's 9.5. In snowy conditions, the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA excels. It stops in 39.1 meters compared to the Continental's 47.8 meters. For snow traction, the BFGoodrich takes 4.6 seconds, while the Continental takes 5.7 seconds. In snow handling, the BFGoodrich completes a lap in 97 seconds, while the Continental takes 103 seconds. However, in wet conditions, the Continental TerrainContact A takes the lead. It stops from 100 km per hour to 0 in just 58 meters, while the BFGoodrich takes 68.5 meters. In wet handling, the Continental completes a lap in 81.3 seconds, compared to the BFGoodrich's 86 seconds. Subjectively, the Continental scores 10 points, while the BFGoodrich scores 8.5. In straight aquaplaning, the Continental maintains grip up to 84.4 km per hour, while the BFGoodrich does so at 83.1 km per hour. In dry conditions, the Continental outperforms the BFGoodrich, stopping in 41.6 meters compared to the BFGoodrich's 46.6 meters. In dry handling, the Continental completes a lap in 68.6 seconds, while the BFGoodrich takes 69.33 seconds. Subjectively, the Continental scores 9.5 points, while the BFGoodrich scores 9 points. When it comes to noise and comfort, the Continental TerrainContact A offers a slightly quieter ride at 71.9 decibels compared to BFGoodrich's 73.5 decibels. In terms of comfort, the Continental scores 9.5 points, while the BFGoodrich scores 9 points. For rolling resistance, the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA performs better with a lower rolling resistance coefficient value of 8.9 compared to the Continental's value of 9.7, indicating potentially better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Continental TerrainContact A excels with superior wet and dry performances, while the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA stands out in snow and off-road capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.